What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are jumping right into today's video. Today we have a couple of things we want to get done to the Jeep. A lot of maintenance stuff. Also possibly we may be going to go look at another vehicle. We will see. I saw one that was at a dealership. I messaged them. They didn't message me back. I'm gonna give them a call. It's early Saturday morning today. I'll just give them a call. I'll see if it's still there. If it's still there, I'll go take a look at it. We'll see. But a couple things I want to get done to the Jeep today. So as you guys know, I did have a check engine light. It came on, came off a couple times. Someone else did say it might be the evap for the gas cap, which that would make sense. It hasn't come back on recently, so it probably was something like that. That was minor. Now, the one thing I was going to go look at, oh, you can see up here, this is part of the my lift kit. I was going to go look to see if I needed to get an upgraded steering stabilizer with this. I was going to go look to see if I needed to do is any upgraded steering stabilizers on top of what I have currently. I know that doing that, it won't make the Jeep drive like a Cadillac if something else is wrong. If there's like def wobble or anything else that's wrong, doing a steering stabilizer is not gonna like fix that magically. It just helps when you're on the highway. It basically takes less stress off of the steering components and your steering pump, everything else, and the steering stabilizer kind of takes that brunt, and that kind of helps stabilize things. So I was thinking maybe should I do an even more upgraded steering stabilizer. I'm not fully sure, so I want to go actually talk to the people at 4Wheel Parts to see what they would suggest, because I don't fully know. And the good thing about the Jeep community and like the off-road community is usually if you don't know something, a lot of people, they're very knowledgeable, and like, you know, they will usually tell you. So long story short, looking to go check that out, and I also want to go look to see if I need to do upgraded brakes. The brakes on this Jeep, I've been meaning to replace the brakes for a while. I was thinking about doing it myself, but the one thing is though, it comes down to safety features. I figured it might be easier just to have professionals just do it. I looked at doing it myself multiple times. I could probably do it, but for the stuff that I would need to do it and everything else, it might be better just to have the shop do it, because I want to do upgraded brakes. So for sure, I mean, it's been driving well, but it's probably getting close to time for me to do the upgraded brakes. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. So we're gonna go check that out, see what's up. I'm gonna probably try and see if I can get like a quick quote for it. So we'll see what's going on. But first things first, we gotta go get the oil change in the Jeep, because of it's just the time to go do it. So just waiting for the wife, and then we'll be on our way. Let's go. Today's gonna be a great day. We're at Valvoline's now, just waiting to get served. Such a great setup here. All right, so got the oil changed real quick. Went to Valvoline. Actually, it turns out one of my tires, he said that it was the tire pressure was actually lower, so I'm gonna check that one out. I'm gonna go to 4Wheel Parts real quick. I want to just see a quick estimate to see what it would be to do like an upgraded brake kit on here. So we're about to head on out. We just stopped at Spirit Halloween because we haven't seen one in a while, so we stopped at Spirit Halloween. Now we're on our way to 4Wheel Parts. Turns out that other dealership doesn't open up until like 11. I'm gonna call them when they open up though. We'll see what's up. So we're on the way. Let's go. Okay, so we're here. 4Wheel Parts. You know it's a good day when you see other lifted Jeeps. So we're gonna run in there. We're about to run in real quick, and we'll see what's up. Okay, well, I messaged the dealership. So we'll see. If they message me back, cool. If not, then I'm gonna take it as it wasn't meant to be. Did I just get a text? Felt something just happened. Oh, that was weird. I don't know. Anyways, long story short, if I get a text, then it was meant to be. If not, then it wasn't. So I went in there, checked out like the different options. So long story short, I could get a very, very like super upgraded brake kit that will be, it was like $2,000, which that's a lot. But also I can get a slightly upgraded kit that's like 600, 700 bucks probably. So I don't know. I definitely probably should do my brakes sooner rather than later. So I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this second, but I definitely want to get the brakes done because it's starting to feel not. I'm just starting to notice some of my brake feel is like it's not as strong as what I want it to be. So I don't know. We're gonna head home real quick. Let's go. All right, so really quickly, so in my office, trying to get some work done real quick, some client work. Another dealership contacted me, so we will see what's going on. I'm trying to see. I don't know, I'm not trying to jump into anything, but we may be going to look at a car, who knows? I don't know. We'll see, still pretty early, it's like 12:30, trying to get this stuff done, because we just ordered some food. Food's gonna be delivered in like a couple minutes, so let me finish this up. See if I can get some more information. So today might turn out to be a much different day than what I thought it was going to be, so we'll see. Hey guys, so strange enough, it looks like we are going to be heading down to go look at a vehicle. This isn't the one that I was looking at originally. This is another one. It's actually priced in the same range. Might be actually a little bit of a better one, so we'll see. But in order to find out what this vehicle is, you have to watch the next video. I'm driving up to San Diego right now, so we're gonna have some time. That will be in the next video, so you'll see that. Subscribe, stay tuned for more. You'll see what's going on with that. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.